Hi guys, it's Pamela Naturals back with another video. Today we're talking about 5 ways in which you can grow your natural hair in 2021. A lot of people ask me, how do you grow your hair? What do you use to grow your hair? And in this video, I'm gonna give you things or products that you can use to grow your hair this year. But always remember, even if you grow your hair at the scalp, if you're not retaining it at the ends, you will never see length. Enough said. The first way to grow your natural hair, and you probably know this already, is castor oil. Castor oil has been used for years and people reporting great results. I personally have used castor oil in the past and it worked great for me. Castor oil is my favorite oil for sealing my hair and also for my scalp. If you can get Jamaican black castor oil, even better. If you're in Australia, you can get one of these from mynaturalbeauty.com.au at a discounted price, 15% off, Pamela 15. Put that in and you get that. And that helps grow and nourish your hair. You can get this on Amazon. You can get black Jamaican castor oil on Amazon if you're in the US. It's actually quite widely available. I have recently done a video where I infused Ambunu with Jamaican black castor oil, and I'll put a link above if you guys are interested. It's a great pre-poo. It's a great treatment for the scalp. It's gonna help strengthen your hair. So that's one simple way for you guys to grow your hair this year. The next way I'm growing my hair is using fenugreek. Fenugreek has been proven to help grow your hair. It nourishes the hair, it strengthens the hair, it helps with hair growth. You can have an oil, you can have a tea, you can have a mask. There's so many ways to use fenugreek. I will put an entire playlist above for you guys to binge watch if you need to look at these ways, different ways for you to grow your natural hair this year. There's no excuse. If you can't do a mask, you can do an oil. If you can't do an oil, you can do a tea. If you don't like fenugreek, use Jamaican black castor oil. And if you don't like either of those, keep watching because I've got more. By the way, fenugreek is readily available in stores. So health food stores, supermarket, you can find that easily. Otherwise, online, it's on Amazon. If you guys want me to show you where to get fenugreek, I can, but I feel like fenugreek is quite easily available. The next thing I'm going to suggest is T444Z. I've done videos on this one. I've done a challenge on this one last year. I'll put a link above to my results. Yeah, it's natural. It smells divine. It's easy to apply. It nourishes the scalp. It helps with dandruff, itchiness, flaking, hair growth. Yeah. If you can access it, you should try this. If you guys are interested in this one, I will put a link in the description to their official website where they have agents in different countries. So Namibia, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Zambia, USA, Australia, Nigeria, wherever you are, they've got agents there that sell the products, the T444Z products. So you can access them in your own country if you want to try them for yourself. Guys, you can't come up here and say, oh, it's her genes. For all my friends and people that know me that say, oh, you've got the genes. Yeah, maybe try these things and see how your hair responds. You know, there's hope, there's hope. Another way that you can grow your hair is by using a herbal hair growth mix, and you can extract the oil from that. I've done a video on this. This particular herbal, oil was made popular by Brie Hall. She's here on YouTube, and I don't know, maybe there was videos about this before her, but I knew it through her. She was the first video I saw about this one, and I was inspired to make my own. You can tailor make it to your own as well with whatever ingredients you have in the house, but you don't actually have to add anything to this oil. If you can buy the mix, the hair oil mix that is, so all these herbs, they come in a pack. If you can buy them and infuse the oil like that, this will be great, and you don't have to add anything, and you can use it for the entire year. What you waiting for? Come on, let's grow our hair this year. Let's grow our hair. So this one is super luxurious, good for the scalp, for the hair, for pre-poos, to add to your deep conditioners. I will be using this in a lot of my products this year that I use to treat my hair. So yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you want to know where to get this, Australia 9th Avenue, I think it's $49.20, I believe. It's also on Amazon if you are in the United States. So yeah, you can access this if you want to, and let's grow our hair. The last way that I want to try to grow my hair this year, and I mean, I don't know if you guys have tried this before, but it's something that I will be trying. I haven't seen a lot of videos about this anywhere really, so I wanted to try it for myself because I absolutely love this brand for my skin. I use it for my skin. Can you guess which one I'm talking about? Anyway, it's The Ordinary, guys. It's the multi-peptide serum from The Ordinary. So this is what I'll be trying out this year. So it's a 60 ml container or bottle. I can't remember how much it was, but it was not that expensive from my recollection. I'll put the price below, and I'll put a link to where you can get it in Australia and also in the US. And maybe I'll do a separate video about it once I start using it. But let's just see what it looks like, okay? So this is it. Comes in a glass bottle. It's brown, obviously, so that it stores well. Ooh, that was hard. Ooh. Doesn't smell like anything really. It's like a supernatural smell. I don't know if you guys can see, but and that's the consistency. So it's very watery, but yeah, that's what it looks like when you put it on the scalp. So it would not be oily at all. My hands don't feel oily after applying it. So I don't know if you've noticed, but all of the things that I've spoken about in this video have got a lot to do with stimulating your scalp. Oils stimulate your scalp. You know, this peptide thing stimulates your scalp. The T44Z, you know, you have to apply then massage yourself. So if you can't access any of these things, it's fine. You can just use an oil. Just use any oil. Coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, whatever you have. You don't have to be fancy and start looking for all sorts of herbs. You don't have to. Your hair grows anyway. This is just to accelerate the growth of the hair, but hair grows anyway. The problem is usually at the ends of the hair when it comes to retaining the length. Yeah, you know I sing about this. You're probably tired of it, but we need to get it into our minds that here the hair is usually growing at the scalp. It's the ends that we cannot actually retain that makes us look like we're not growing any hair. But yeah, a lot of this involves stimulating the scalp. So if you can't access any of these, just use any oils and just stimulate your scalp, guys, and let's grow our hair together. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you're gonna try some of these things. I'll put some links below. Go in there, have a look. And yeah, there's cards above for you guys to access playlists and all sorts of things to help you this year to grow your hair. Until next time, it's Pamela Naturals. Mwah.